I decided to try paper piecing. This is what I'm working on. I've got this one, I'm waiting to get it quilted, and then I started on another one because, you know, I got 2 daughters, so gotta make one for each of them. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my paper piecing. Okay, I've printed out the pattern. I got this on Etsy from Charisse Creates. And I know my hands look terrible, but tomorrow I'll probably be out on the forklift loading up a trailer. So anyway, I've got the pattern printed out. First thing we got to do is cut out the different little pieces of it. So this is my cutter I use for this. And I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back. I know you don't want to watch me do that. Okay, now take a tracing wheel. Don't get one that's got these real sharp points. I use this little cheap one, which works better for me. And we're going to go down each line with this tracing wheel. I don't know, maybe 3 times. And the reason for that, it just makes it easier to fold, and I'll show you why later. So I'm going to continue to do all these. And then I'll come back and show you what we do next. Okay, we're going to start with, you've got so many to make, I don't want to print out so many patterns, so I'm going to try to use this one over and over, and you can use it over and over for several projects. So anyway, we'll start with A1 is white. Put a little glue on the back just to kind of hold it in place while you do what you got to do. And on the first piece, right side down, and we'll put the A, and see, this is A2, and it's going to be the color of the dress, which is going to be this blue gingham. Okay, so we'll fold it right there and put that right on, leave a 1/4 inch, and just eyeball it. And we'll put the blue under it, face up, and then you'll have right sides together. Put it right on the edge also, and take it to the machine. Okay, so move your needle just as far to the left as you can. And we're going to put our foot right on the edge of that paper. Just as close as we can. Okay, so now we've got to do A3. We fold that over right here. And now we're going to cut off our 1/4 inch right here. And get us some more blue. We'll just use a piece of that. Again, face up, so those will be right side together on the bottom. And I'm no good at holding it up to the light and trying to find the edge. Okay, I'm going to the machine and do this. It's just as close to that paper as I can. Okay, again, right down next to the paper. All right, let me press that down. As you can tell, I'm new to this. Never made a video before. Okay, so now we have our A3, A2, and A1. So now we need A4. So we flip back that. cut off our 1/4 inch. And we, again, need some more blue. And face up again. And right on the edge. And back to the sewing machine. Okay, again, right on the edge. Leave the paper on and press it. Now, okay, we're through with that piece except for trimming the edges. Let me get them. And this 1/4 inch is already there. So we're gonna leave it there and go right down the edge there. I love her pattern, it works good and I have no problem with it. And then you can just take the paper off and you're done with it. You don't have to pick it all out from there. And you've made that centerpiece for the dress. All right, we'll go on to the next section.